Heyo, my name is Archuleta, and I am so excited to say that we are hosting our WellBeings retreat on September 30th and October 1st, so sign up, you're gonna wanna be here. I've been a therapist for nearly 14 years, and over those 14 years, I've seen 4 things that happen in our relationships. One of them is called the ego split, a shame attack, the dreamer and performer roles that we play in relationships, and trauma stored in our body. The ego split describes that when we live in the closet, we pay attention to hiding our preferences, and as a result, we actually get split away from them. And of course, this leads us into shame. If I'm divorced from my own desire, that's going to create a very painful experience. And so as a way of trying to soothe that painful experience, I'm going to grasp for the first thing that will soothe me. And oftentimes this creates an unwanted pattern. I always tell my clients, when shame is present, we will always soothe ourselves with the one thing that shames us. Third thing is the dreamer performer chart. When we live in shame so often and for so long, what happens is we adopt a different identity in relationships. The performer says, I am here to take care of people, and if I don't, I'm a jerk. It's a relational superhero, and the dreamer is the relational damsel in distress. It is a person who is too used to feeling detached from, and they say, the world is so big and scary, I will be eaten alive, and I need a superhero to come and rescue me, and I will fantasize about who they are and how they will rescue me, and I will know it when they come. This is a system that is beautiful at the beginning and then painful on the other side. As the performer, we say, I'm never good enough, they don't see how hard I'm trying, if they only knew what I did for them, they would be so thankful. Meanwhile, the dreamer is saying, where did they go? They left me. Don't they know that I need them? Are they having more fun without me? At the top half of the chart, it's blissful, and the bottom half of the chart, it's incredibly painful. And this all stems from the narrative that says, I need to be the relational hero, or I need to be rescued. As we live through relationships like this, it's full of beauty and pain, connection and detachment, being seen and feeling invisible. And that, in addition to all of those years of living closeted and suffering from the enmeshment or the detachment, it is all developmental trauma. Trauma gets stored in the body. It lives in the fascia, and it creates systems or processes that we become accustomed to in the central nervous system. And that takes us to the fourth. We're going to do somatic breath work. This will knock your socks off. We're going to lay down yoga mats and then use incredible deep breathing in a rhythmic way to put your body into self-healing mode. I had the incredible privilege of being trained by Stephen Jaggers down in Austin, Texas. And when I experienced somatic breath work, I knew that this was hitting the core that no other treatment modality could hit. And so I want to share all 4 components with you in this 2-day retreat so that you can create the love lives and relationships that you most deeply crave. I swear to you, you do not want to miss this.